So it's my lunch break. That's usually when I go out and rail fan downtown. Cleveland Commercial Railroad, or Cleveland and Cuyahoga Railway, Omnitrax owned line. And they are pulling into their track road yard. It's about 1:30 Friday, January 8th, 2021. So he's running down there. I'm assuming he's going to go run around the train, do some car shuffling. So I'm going to hang out here for about 20 minutes, see if I can catch some more footage, and then go head back to the office. So it's nice working right downtown. A lot of the action around here, CSX, Norfolk, Newburgh and South Shore, Cleveland Commercial, Flats Industrial used to run, but I think they're done for good now. So I just do my thing and catch what I can. So seems like they're always over here at the track road yard. I usually take my lunch break about 1 o'clock-ish. Takes me about 10 minutes to get here. So usually between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock is usually when I catch them here. So, all right, I don't want to get hit by a car, so hang tight. I'm going to try and catch a few more clips. So he just dropped off this cut, as you saw him pull in with. Now he's going to have to run all the way down and do his little runaround maneuver. Let's try and pace him a little bit. Again, this is their track road yard. We're about 1.5 miles south of Cleveland. You know what? So here we are. Like I said, we're about 1.5 miles south of downtown. There she is. It's an above perspective. So he's down there throwing the switch. You can tell this yard hasn't had much maintenance in a while, but Omnitrax has really upgraded this line since they bought it. So he's going to run back down track 2, down here on track 3. You can see that cut of cars he just dropped off. I'm assuming they're picking up these scrap gons to take them back down to the scrap yard. One of the probably the biggest customer they serve. So you'll run back down track 2. Oh, most of these tankers, and then including that cut of tankers down there, which goes to the end of the line, have been in storage. It's actually starting to snow now too. It's freezing up here. I just wanted to get some good shots. So he's gonna run back down track 2, go from there. I've never filmed them from up here before. See track 5, dead ends right here. Looks like at one point there were some more tracks. I've never been this far over in the yard. I don't like to trespass on railroad property. This bridge I'm on is actually Cleveland City property, so I don't think they should have an issue with it per se. Not interfering with the railroad at all. Again, as you can see, this yard's real old. I don't know which railroad operated this line originally, but like I said, they don't do much maintenance in here. Omnitrax bought the line maybe a year ago, maybe a little less, a little more. They've really done some upgrades since then, so here we go. I won't lie, that was a tad bit scary, like a 4 out of 10. This thing was shaking like a mug, holy crap, especially when he throttled up for a second there. Some good shots. Usually I don't care much for the artiste, I just like to get videos for the channel. All right, I'm gonna go back to the truck. I'm freezing.